Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best cruise insurance in the US in 2024. When planning a cruise, securing the right travel insurance is essential for peace of mind and financial protection. In 2024, several top providers offer tailored policies that cater specifically to cruise travelers. This video highlights the advantages of five leading companies: Berkshire Hathaway, Alliance Global Assistance, World Nomads, Travel Guard by AIG, and TravelX Insurance Services. Each offers unique features and coverage options to ensure a worry-free cruising experience. With that being said, let's start off with Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway Travel Protection is recognized for its specialized cruise insurance, particularly its Wave Care plan, which offers extensive coverage tailored for cruise travelers. One of the standout advantage of BHTP is its Pay First, Pay Fast claims process, which allows for quicker reimbursements, often on the same day if claims are filled through their app. This efficiency is crucial for travelers who may have unexpected expenses. Additionally, WaveCare include high limits for emergency medical evacuation and trip interruption, ensuring travelers are well protected against unforeseen events. The policy also covers cruise-specific issues such as missed connections and cruise disablement, which are not typically included in standard travel insurance. Furthermore, 24/7 emergency assistance is available, providing peace of mind while traveling. Alliance Global Assistance. Alliance Global Assistance is a well-established provider known for its comprehensive travel insurance options, particularly for cruises. One of its main advantages is the variety of plans available, catering to different needs and budgets. Alliance offers a unique cancel for any reason option, allowing travelers to cancel their trips for reasons not typically covered, providing added flexibility. The company also boasts a robust network of support services, including 24/7 assistance and a dedicated claims team that simplifies the claims process. Alliance's policies include coverage for trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and lost baggage, ensuring travelers are safeguarded against various risks. Additionally, their extensive experience in the travel insurance industry lends credibility and reliability to their offerings, making them a popular choice among cruisers. World Nomads. World Nomads is particularly favored by adventurous travelers, making it an excellent choice for those planning active cruises. The primary advantage of World Nomads is its extensive coverage for a wide range of adventure activities, including scuba diving and hiking, which are often excluded by other insurers. Their policies are flexible, allowing travelers to purchase coverage while already on their trip, which is a unique feature not commonly found in the industry. World Nomads also provides comprehensive medical coverage, including emergency evacuation, which is crucial for cruise travelers who may find themselves in remote locations. Their user-friendly online platform makes it easy to get quotes and file claims, enhancing the overall customer experience. This combination of flexibility, adventure coverage, and ease of use make World Nomads a top choice for active cruisers. Travel Guard by AIG. Travel Guard by AIG stands out for its customizable insurance plans that cater to the specific needs of cruise travelers. One of its key advantages is the option for cancel for any reason coverage, which allows travelers to cancel their trips for a broader range of reasons than standard policies. Travel Guard also offers a wide array of coverage options, including trip interruption, medical emergencies, and baggage loss, ensuring comprehensive protection. The 24/7 travel assistance service provides immediate support for travelers facing emergencies, enhancing peace of mind while at sea. Additionally, TravelGuard's reputation for excellent customer service and straightforward claims process makes it a reliable choice for cruisers looking for tailored insurance solutions. Their flexibility and extensive coverage options make them a strong contender in the cruise insurance market. TravelX Insurance Services. TravelX Insurance Services is known for its customer centric approach and competitive pricing, making it an attractive option for cruise travelers. One of the main advantages of TravelX is its customizable plans that allow travelers to select coverage that fits their specific needs, including trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and baggage protection. Their policies are designed to be straightforward with clear terms and conditions that help travelers understand their coverage. TravelX also offers a cancel for any reason option, providing additional flexibility for those uncertain about their travel plans. The company is praised for its responsive customer service and efficient claims process, which can be crucial when dealing with travel disruptions. With a focus on affordability and comprehensive coverage, TravelX is a solid choice for budget-conscious cruisers seeking reliable insurance. When selecting a cruise insurance provider in 2024, it's crucial to consider factors such as coverage for trip cancellation and interruption, medical emergencies, and adventure activities. The top 5 companies, Berkshire Hathaway, Alliance Global Assistance, World Nomads, TravelGuard by AIG, and TravelX Insurance Services, offer comprehensive policies with a specialized feature for cruisers. By carefully evaluating their offerings and choosing the plan that best fits your needs, you can embark on your cruise with confidence knowing you're protected against unexpected events. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.